even like help. It's like if you guys catch anything, please tell me.
Let me know. I have an event coming up this week. Let me know. I have an event coming up this weekend now. Here's another notification. Let me know. Today is the day that Holly, Larry Worcest's first flight, we had a son with.
Oh, Larry.
Larry.
Oh, okay.
We had Holly. It's her birthday today. I'm invited to her party. She's been bugging me to come to her party. At the Belgian Club. Yeah, tonight.
Need help?
Well, when you get done with,
Yeah, how do I get down there and then how do I get home?
Tell me when you're putting in the
somebody
sauce.
to bring you down, she can bring you up.
Tell me when you're putting in the sauce.
Well, she constantly trying
Can I see if it's
to
defrosted?
book up here. She's got a
What?
Can I see if that's defrosted?
No, wait till it's done. Almost done. You can stir this if you like.
Yeah.
Did you hear me?
No.
I said she's been constantly messaging me, texting me, trying to hook up. She's got a husband.
Where that is, where the
Water.
I guess you're not eating, huh?
No, that's not, I'm at a loss here.
I just say, I can barely get this stuff taken care of.
Yeah, it's half an hour and I'm supposed to be there for practice.
Oh, did you ever try to switch your legs?
Actually, I should go down here right now.
I do that all the time. With our stuff.
That's why we're trying to work done.
Yeah, yeah.
They're good, I think. They're hot. On the outside, they're hot.
No, that's another activity.
I have like a mix. Yeah. Who doesn't want one of these? I don't like these.
I'll tell you, do like that.
I was on pretty big, but these boy made out this morning.
You got one? Oh my God. What is that?
Hold up. 1 second.
I've never done this before. I hope it turns out okay.
Guys, I look so
Put 1, 0, 0.
At 11:35 p.m.
What is it?
United States operations on Operation Give thanks carried out this operation.
5 grams.
Looks like 10. Is it 10 foot?
Oh, yeah, there's two wives at the very top. Yeah, it's